everybody, welcome back to Steve Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. Website's there as usual, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. Check that out when you get a chance. This is just a quick update on the last video that I just did on how to make your gas can pour faster, putting those little vents on. If you missed that video, I got a quick link up here for you in the information button if you can see that. And at the end of this video also, I'll put up a quick link there for you that you can click on that to see the original video. On that video, I was showing how to put the vent in the top of the handle like that, right? I had someone comment and said, hey, why don't you put it on the side of the handle, right where your thumb is, so you can actually control the flow. You got it on the side like that, right where your thumb is when you're pouring it. And then you let your thumb off and it increases the flow. You put your thumb back on there and it slows the flow down. What a brilliant idea that is. I'm a little embarrassed. I didn't think of that myself. Okay, so I drilled that 1/2-inch hole in there. And then I popped my vent in. And now I can use my thumb to just control the flow. Pull your thumb off, put your thumb back on. It increases and decreases the flow. Hey, on that note right there too, if you look underneath this video on my description, I still have a link there for you where to buy these things from. Now, I do understand when you look at that link, the manufacturer recommends a 3164 drill bit, which is just slightly smaller than the 1/2-inch. Well, I got to tell you guys, on that last video, I tried it, and I'll tell you, it was too tight. I couldn't get the vent in there. I would have needed a hammer to get that in there. Hey, maybe my 3164 drill bit is slightly worn out or something like that. I don't know. If you have a 3164 drill bit, go ahead and try it. Worst case scenario, you can't get the vent in there because it's too tight, like I tried. Worst case scenario, just take your 1/2-inch drill bit and zip it out. Just hone it out a little bit and it'll pop in there. This one was still like ridiculously tight to put in, even with the 1/2-inch drill bit. It doesn't leak. It works absolutely perfectly. So don't worry too much about that 3164 as opposed to the 1/2-inch. Well, I hope you like this update. You know what I'm saying? Like this update. Keep those comments flying, guys. Right underneath this video. Keep putting your comments down. I love it. Whoever it was that commented and gave me this awesome tip, buddy, thank you so much. And, the original video right here, if you guys want to see that, boom. Check that one out. Click that one next. Until the next time, I think I'm done. Steve out.